Get ready for the most anticipated life-changing event of the year. Presenting the upcoming Growth Summit, India, where innovation meets success. Join us on September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 2023 for 3 power-packed days that will transform your life forever. Are you ready to unlock your potential and take your life to the next level? Then mark your calendars and secure your spot at the upcoming Growth Summit India. Get ready to learn from the very best in the industry. We are proud to announce our exceptional lineup of guest speakers. Robert Kiyosaki, international best-selling author and financial expert. Sneh Desai, best-selling author, life and business coach. Sunil Tulsiani, real estate mogul and wealth creation specialist. Aman Gupta, renowned entrepreneur and business strategist. Robert G. Allen, serial entrepreneur and New York Times best-selling author. Dev Gadvi, business coach. Bhupendra Singh Rathore, motivational speakers and business coach. This is your chance to hear from these industry titans as they share their secrets to success, growth, and financial freedom. Don't miss out on this opportunity to accelerate your life growth. Reserve your seat now and be a part of the upcoming Growth Summit India on September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 2023. Get ready to take your business to the next level. We'll see you at the upcoming Growth Summit India.